if you have problems opening some operators. This video explains the missions of opening operators. So don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Riptide. For open this operator first. Select the cruise missile and put it in your score strike. And after getting the required kills, use it. Swagger. It doesn't need any special work. Just get 10 kills with one weapon from the LMG category. Bantam. To open it, you have to go to the opponent's back and after activating the finisher button, hit it and kill your enemy. By line, choose a weapon from the SMG family and try to kill your enemy without aiming by killing your opponent 3 times in this way. It will be unlocked for you. Alpine. By killing 3 enemies while sitting and crouching with any weapon, the mission of this operator is completed. Enigma. Kill your enemies by taking aim. This mission can be done very easily with 3 kills. Raptor. Just get 5 kills with frag grenade. Barbecue. To open this operator, you must use stun grenade or flash grenade. First stun your enemy and then kill him. Jet. Get 5 kills with a sniper rifle. The rest of the operators need MW3 and MWZ to open. I have already explained the MW2 operators.